Hi my loves, in today's reading we will going to have love reading energy with message from your person. Okay, before tayo mag-start my loves, I would like to invite you to visit the link in our bio my loves or description box. Okay, so ang focus ng ating love reading energy, ano ba ang meron sa connection na to right now? Okay, let's see the situation first. My loves, meron ditong fertility. Okay, kaya kung hindi pa kayo ready, meron dito reincarnation, memory. So my loves, dito is merong paulit-ulit na nagiging issue, my loves. May paulit-ulit na nagiging issue. Kasi, my loves, dito, meron kayong na-encounter na issue. Meron kayong na-encounter na issue na parang, kumbaga, paulit-ulit na dumadating, paulit-ulit na natatakel. But I also hear dito, meron growth. May something na paparating sa inyo, growth, whether it is life, sabi ko nga kanina, fertility, kung, pwedeng pagbubuntis yun, my loves. Pero dito, my loves, merong issue na parang paulit-ulit binabalikan like this pendulum. And I hear, meron ding achievement na paparating. Bakit dito ang energy is kailangan may i-close. Kailangan may i-close. Si spirits is nandito. Kung meron mang nangyaring stop, pause, kailangan yun. Kasi nag-intervene. Hindi tao ang nag-intervene, kung hindi si spirits. Kailangan mangyari yun, my loves. And kung meron mang ikaw close, my loves, I also hear, pwede din, my loves, yung paulit-ulit na pinag-uusapan na nagiging issue, my loves. Okay, so, yun ang focus ng inyong love connection. May chapter, I also hear chapter, merong kailangang i-close para mabuksan muli. Mayroong achievement, my loves, na magiging makaka-apekto sa inyong growth na kailangan talagang mangyari. Mayroong mabibigyan ng buhay, my loves. So, let's see more clarifier. Pwede din, my loves, itong person na to is part din ng inyong past life. With the camera. Okay, oo nga. With the camera kasi, my loves, iyan ay talagang, yung alam niyo yun, yung naging, may paulit-ulit kayong binabalik ang issue, may paulit-ulit kayong pinag-uusapan. The camera is, di ba pag tayo nagkaroon ng camera, may memories dyan, my loves, parang yun yung nagsuserve as memories natin. Dito sa camera na to, my loves, I hear na you are learning from the past. Kung ano man talaga yung nangyari, dapat magkaroon na kayo ng learning at iyon ay mai-apply nyo. I also hear dito is nagkokos yun ng pagkasabotaging. Meron dito, my loves, na rhythm. Meron dito, one of you, na parang may paulit-ulit na ginagawa na unhealthy for your connection. So, pwedeng iyon ang nakapag-sabotage sa connection ninyo. Pwedeng iyon ang naging cause ng inyong, kung ano man yung hindi nyo napagkasundaan. Or kung wala pa to, my loves, pwedeng iyon ang maging, iyon ang paparating. But I also hear yung rebuild. Kung meron man nasira, meron naman rebuild. Because this love connection is very persistent. Na kung saan talagang i-work out nyo pa rin naman. Meron pa rin ditong repairing. At kailangan nga lang dito is i-close na talaga yung book, my loves. Honesty, truth. So, meron dito kung merong, my loves, na lack of loyalty. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. Ito yung pinakakailangan ng inyong relationship, the honesty. So, yun yung pwede, my loves, na maging blessing ninyo or pwedeng makapag-activate ng blessing from spirits dito sa relationship na to, the honesty. Lahat, my loves, kung nandun yung truth, my loves, I also hear, pwede din na meron kang madiscover na truth about your love connection. Pwede din yung person mo is may i-open up sa'yo. But dito, one thing is for sure, you are working on it. You are repairing this relationship. So, ibig sabihin, still working kasi ito ay nasira. Nasira ng isang habit na kailangan ng i-close. Nasira ng isang issue na napagdaanan ninyo na kailangan na rin kalimutan or i-close para makapag-begin ng new chapter. Okay, let's see more. Let's see more clarifier about this relationship. So, may pagka-possessive ba yung person mo? Kung hindi man ang person mo, ikaw, pwedeng iyan, my loves, is, kumbaga, kung sino man yung possessive sa inyo, kailangan is magiging lessons learned na sa kanya yon. Kung hindi man, my loves, I hear na itong relationship nyo, kung magastos kayo, pakiiwasan. And, magtatagal. Dahil meron ditong long-term security, my loves. Kung tinatanong mo kung magtatagal kayo, yes. Lalo na, my loves, kung malalearn ang lesson. Ano ba itong malalearn ang lesson, my loves? I also hear making memories na hindi kayo masyadong magastos. Make memories na hindi kayo masyadong magastos. Save money. Kung ano may mga insecurity nyo, hindi gastos ang solusyon. Kung yung partner mo gusto, gumastos kayo para ma-fulfill yung kanilang ego, yung kanilang, sabihin natin, yung making memories, kadalasan dyan is yung mga ginagawa nyo, fun activities na may kinalaman yung malaking cost of, na kailangan ng malaking cost of budget. I hear na you have to save money. Kasi kailangan nyo mag-invest on something. Okay? So, my loves, kung meron kayong solid investment, magtatagal kayo. Okay, my loves, with the Queen of Wands, my loves, may pagka, sabihin natin, itong person mo is may pagka-charming, confidence. Yes. My loves, I hear itong person mo is may pagka-charming, charismatic, and may pagka-self-assured na personality, my loves. So, with the Seven of Wands, I hear na pwedeng maging challenge mo yung pagiging overprotective because your person is ganito, like Queen of Wands. Pero kailangan magkaroon ka ng boundaries. Know your position. Okay? Huwag ka masyadong, kung ikaw man yung defense, yung possessive, my loves, huwag kang masyadong, sabihin natin, magkaroon ka ng boundaries about that. Magkaroon ka ng boundaries about kung ano man yung pinapakita mo. Wag kang masyadong over possessive, lalo na kung hindi pa kayo kasal. Know your position. Okay, so clarifier. Okay, may tumalon for the last one. Kababanggit ko lang, divine intervention. May kung meron man nangyari sa inyo, post nyo, or sabihin natin, bigla kayo nag-cool off, hindi dahil sa third party or what, dahil si spirit na yung pumagitan. Oo. Unhealthy attachment nga, my loves. May unhealthy attachment dito. So, pwede nga, may pagka-over, may isa sa nyo na over-possessive. And, my loves, eto, si Queen of Wands, pwedeng mang-ghost to because of their independence. That's why, wag mo sasakalin. Dito sa relationship na to, hindi effective yung masyadong possessive or masyadong protective. Kasi pwedeng isa sa inyo ang tumakas o kumalas. So, my loves, I hear na meron dito na divine intervention. Kung ilalayo sa'yo yung person mo na to, or meron man something na nangyari, ito is because of the spirits, divine intervention. Kailangan, time to reflect. Time to learn something. Okay? Pero bago mangyari yun, my loves, dapat ngayon pa lang, matutunan mo na yung mga bagay. Know your position. Huwag kang masyadong mapag-isip, overprotective. So, minsan naiisip mo yung mga bagay na yon because your person is the Queen of Wands, or sila is masyadong optimistic, confident, independent. My loves, dapat alam mo kung paano i-handle yung ganyang tao, yung ganyang partner. Okay? So, let's see. Different paths. You're not on the same page with your person. Pwede nga magkaiba kayo. That's why hindi nyo naiintindihan. Pwede ikaw overpossessive ka, gusto mo, pwede ka din may loves na matipid. Pwedeng ikaw halimbawa yung perception nyo to save money, but yung person mo naman is very charismatic, passionate about something. Alam nyo yun na, halimbawa sa practical decision, halimbawa yung work job na to is parang okay, practical para sa'yo, pero sa person mo, parang ang gusto niyang sundin, kung ano yung mga mag-enjoy siya, or makakapag-motivate sa kanya. So, let go of the need to control. Confirmation talaga, my loves, na possessive. Meron talagang possessive sa inyong energy, sa inyong connection. So, dito, my loves, the directions you want to move into are different. Magkaiba kayo. Magkaiba kayo ng pananaw, magkaiba kayo ng gustong tahakin, my loves. Kaya naman, if you want to be in a long-term relationship with this person, you have to let go the need of control. Allow this situation to unfold naturally, my loves. Huwag mo siyang kontrolin, huwag mo siyang masyadong hawakan. Huwag mo siyang i-control, my loves. So, let's see message from this person. Ano ba yung mga bagay na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo na hindi niya masabi-sabi? So, lumitaw dito, my loves, magkaiba kayo ng tinatahak. I sometimes wonder if you care. So, may care ka ba, my love, sa kanya? Yun yung nasa isip niya. May care ka pa ba about her? Or yung pagka-possessive, if ever man na ikaw yung possessive, yung pagka-possessive mo, meron ka pa bang i-consider mo pa ba siya, or para lang sa ego yun? So, I sometimes wonder if you care. You have so many choices and options, my loves. Let me hold you. Okay, so dito, my loves, may pagtingin, meron pa rin naman spark between you. Ito yung mga messages niya from your person. Meron pa rin silang pagtingin, my loves. And wonder sometimes if meron ka pa rin bang pagtingin sa kanya. If may care ka pa rin ba sa kanya. Let me hold you. My loves, are you in control with this connection, my loves? Kung oo, my loves, pwede pagbigyan mo din siya. Okay, Spirit, let's see. Final message from this person. One thing, I am feeling so urged towards you. So, kung meron kayong something na parang nagkaroon kayo ng gap, I can't help wanting you sexually, your energies excites me and allures me. My loves, meron pa rin spark. Meron pa rin spark, my loves. Physically, mentally, meron pa rin. Okay? So, kung iniisip mo nagiging cold sa'yo yung person mo, meron pa rin naman. So, attraction, ayan nga. May attraction. Meron pa rin spark, nandun pa rin ang chemistry, my loves. And let's pull our final card for this love connection from spirits. Ano pa ba yung naghihintay sa kanila? Okay. So, don't make decisions based on guilt or what you think you should do. Let go of control issue, my loves. Or it's only in being true to yourself that you can be true to others. So, dito, kino-consider mo pa ba yung person mo sa mga decision? Or iyan is para, kasi minsan, nagtatago tayo sa word na may care ka talaga sa kanya. Pero ang totoo, ang sinusunod doon is ego. So, don't make decision based on your ego, based on your guilt, my loves. or kung ano sa tingin mo yung kailangan mong gawin. So, my loves, dito pa lang, let go of control issue. So, iyon yung pwedeng magkapag-solve or maging key para mas tumagal pa kayo ng person mo. And attraction, my loves, i-enjoy nyo lang. Kasi parehas naman, may spark pa naman, nandun pa rin yung chemistry. Okay? Kung yung person mo iniisip na, kung iniisip mo yung person mo na wala nang pagtingin sa'yo, meron, my loves. Okay? So, that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.